Hey there, my name's Melanie, and I'm going to do this contest, and it's race a turtle, put on a girdle. No, it's Spur for the Spurtle contest. I come from a long line of Murphys. I'm a Murphy, and we're going to go back over to that other side of the pond and visit Scotland. Right, Bob? Guess what I'm going to make today? I am going to make a Oregon favorite. I am going to keep an Oregon theme with home of Bob's Red Mill Steel Cut Oats. The blackberries that I used to pick as a kid. Still have a little bit of black fingers from doing that. My dad would put a paint bucket around us, tie it on with a rope so we're hands-free. Pick berries all summer long. We love this blackberry caramel oat crisp that I'm making today. Follow along. I got 3 minutes. I'll put this together for you. First of all, I'm going to roast and toast some red mill. I've got 2 cups of that. I'm going to be toasting in the oven ahead of time with a half of a cup of hazelnuts. This steel cut oat gives it a very oat nutty flavor. It's very crispy as soon as I put it in this caramel mixture, which I've got some butter going here. I'm going to put a cup of brown sugar in with the butter. We're going to get that all nice and bubbly. We got a tablespoon of Karo syrup we're going to add in there. It's going to bubble up. Then we put a teaspoon of baking soda in with this mixture here. This makes it nice and caramely. We've got a caramel sauce that will go on here. Then we add our toasted oats and our hazelnuts that have been roasted in with this caramel mixture. It will look like this when it's all done. Then we've got a simple syrup that I make with water. And then I add 3/4 of a cup, sorry about that, of water. And we've got 1/4 of a cup sugar that we put together for a simple syrup in there. I'm going to put some orange zest in my water there. We add 2 cups of Oregon blackberries in with this simple syrup mixture. We've got that going, and that will thicken up. How this thickens, and after this bubbles up, is I took this red mill, I ground it up in the coffee grinder and made a flour. 3 tablespoons of this in this simple syrup with the berries will thicken up. We put this all together here. We put the berries in that's thickened here, and we dish it in a ramekin here. 1/2 of a cup of berries. Then we put the oat mixture in, and here's the final product. I have a creme fraiche that I make with a cup of vanilla bean ice cream and an egg yolk mixed together. It makes a creme fraiche that you add on to that mixture. We've got a final product. Enjoy and see you in Scotland.